This is me and Porter's little fort. And we come here and we play in the water and we have fun. And it's really beautiful. And me and Porter think that it's the best place on earth.
Who's Porter?
You.
No. I'm Maddie.
No, you're not. Yeah,
My
you
real name
are.
is Madison, but people call me Maddie.
Well, and then we can jump in the water
I love the water.
and wash our feet
Ah!
and embrace all the beautifulness.
Maddie, should we go up the river to the other end?
To the other end? Let's show them the other side.
Oh gosh, you gotta test this out, see if it's deep.
Alright.
Nope.
Oh my god.
Your boots are all wet. Get out of there. It's probably wet on the inside now.
This place is the most beautiful place on frickin' earth.
There's the most, how's the most water? I don't know.
Don't you think
The
it's
most
beautiful, Porter?
Anywhere around here is down there, so we're gonna take you up there soon, but nobody's gonna go.
And what's my channel called?
I don't know what the YouTube channel's called.
Oh. And subscribe to our second channel. We haven't created the name yet, but we will soon. And at the end of this video, we'll give an Instagram shout out. So here it is.
Very wet right here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make another
Are
one.
you wet?
No. My boots are.
Oh my gosh. No! Crap! Oh no.
Oh God, don't jump across there. I just slipped.
Okay.
Okay, I just
Like
dislocated my arm.
and subscribe to Maddie B's Corner.
What is it called?
Maddie B's Corner.